Start taking on the undefeated high-powered Toledo Christian Bats. Eagles off to a flying start. Top one, Ducks on the pond. Charlie Duck the fourth off the wall in left center. Two come home. It's 2-0 with just one out. That's not enough. Tyler Grace lays down a beauty of a bunt. That's no sacrifice. That's a single. Joe O'Neill in from third, so it's 4-0 after the top half. But the Spartans roll through the bottom of the first. Alex Uhas hammers it to the warning track in left center. Seth Morris motors in. The gap cut to 4-2 after one. A lot of runs this afternoon. 3 of them on one swing. Fourth inning, blast off Joe O'Neill. Puts the Eagles up 9-2. That's the difference maker. 10-7 final. Eagle starter Kyle Gebhardt also gets it done. Only 1 earned run in 5 1/3 innings pitched.
I had to get in my groove, and once I got in my groove, I just started executing and just played to win. I had to find that execution right there and find my location, and once I got it, it was good.
Jason Griffin and Mark Nell are on deck.
Out at Bowman Park, it was Toledo Christian with a 10-7 win over Start today, and Toledo Christian moves to 3-0. And Mark Nell, we talk about Toledo Christian's starting pitcher Kyle Gebhardt. 5 1/3 innings, he battled, only had 1 walk. He got a lot of run support, and he looked good on the mound.
He did. Kyle has great mechanics, and he repeats those mechanics. He struggled, as he mentioned. He was high in the strike zone. He made an adjustment with his lower half and did a great job adjusting. And that's what a good high school pitcher does. He throws strikes. You have to force the other team to beat you.
It seemed like the only guy that they had trouble with was Alex Uhas. He had 4 hits in the game for Start, who falls to 1-6. But tell you what, they've played some pretty good teams so far, Start.
Yeah, they have, and that's great competition. It's tough pill to swallow when you're 1-6, but they played good teams. They played Findlay, Springfield, and Lake, and some other good ball clubs, and that's what you want to do. You want to play top-notch competition, and that's what they did today.
And we didn't think it was maybe as big when it happened, but holy cow, Joe O'Neill with a 3-run home run. They win by 3, 10-7, so that was a big one.
It was. I mean, they got off to that 4-run lead there, and then Start came out and cut it in half, and that's huge as well. But that 3-run homer is hard to recover from.
So Start falls to 1-6, and Toledo Christian improves to 3-0. They have scored now 27 runs in their first 3 games. They get it done today at Bowman Park. Final score of 10-7.